This is Travis Richards with Pro Caliber Motorsports, and today we're going to talk about trail safety and the rules of the road when you're out snowmobiling. First and foremost, you need to be considerate of others and safe when you're in the snow park. When you unload your snowmobile and you're riding through the parking area to get to the trail, keep it under 5 miles an hour and just be very aware of what's around you. Watch out for other snowmobilers, trucks, trailers, etc. Now, when you're out on the trail, what you want to do is you want to stay to the right as far as you can. The snowmobilers coming at you are going to be on the right side, and you should be on the right side as well. Never stop on the trail when you're out there. If you have to stop, try to pull off the trail as far as possible. These snowmobiles do 60, 70, 80 miles an hour, and somebody could come upon you real quick if you're stopped in the middle of the trail, and it could cause a bad accident. Now, when you get going again, try not to tear up the trail. The snowmobile clubs in Central Oregon do a great job of grooming these trails. They groom 200-300 miles of trail a week, and they try to make them nice and smooth for the people that like to ride the trails. So when you take off, don't spin your track, don't turn around in the trail and tear it up. That just makes it rougher for everybody else. Now, a couple things about the trails. The orange diamond marked trails are for motorized vehicles. The trails with the blue diamond are actually non-motorized. You'll see that on the trail maps, which you can pick up at most snowmobile shops. The clubs put these trail maps together and they're very nice maps, and they have detailed instruction on where you can ride and not ride. Now, also while you're riding, do keep in mind that you should use hand signals. If somebody's coming at you and you've got a group of snowmobilers, you want to give them a signal of how many snowmobilers are behind you. So if there's 3, go ahead and throw up 3 fingers, 2 or 1. Or if you're the last one in line, go ahead and give them a closed fist. That means there's nobody else behind you. And when you do see somebody giving the signal that there's 2, 3, or 1 snowmobilers coming at you, go ahead and slow down and use caution, because you know you're going to be passing somebody there. Also, just like riding a motorcycle on the street, if you don't have turn signals, if you're going to turn right, give them your right-hand turn or left, or if you're slowing down, just go ahead and turn your arm down. That way they know what's going on with you and your snowmobile. So really, be safe, have fun, get out there, because riding is believing.